Okay. See, now I am just going to draw something like this.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm just going to click this option, Start Editor. This is also another method of creating structures.
Okay.
So it is what Start Editor. When you click that option, it will open this kind of window. Okay. Now here you can able to study what are all the things. Here we can able to just write our own things. For example, we have joint coordinates, member indices, and then these are all the things. And then what are all the property for the member, isotropic, concrete, everything. As per the things, it is coming. See, compressive strength also it's coming. Okay, here, if you want to modify something, you can modify. This is for node, joint coordinates, member indices in the sense like it is for beam. Okay, see, this is first is number. And then next to 3 is X, Y, Z. Second node, X, Y, Z. Third node, X, Y, Z. Fourth node, X, Y, Z. This is like first beam, and then which two nodes connecting. So 1 and then 2. And then second beam connecting 2 and then 3. Like that it is. So if you want to continue this, what you can do? So I'm just going for, so I'm just going for 5. And then what we can do? So I need another in 6, x6 and then y3. Okay. So x6, y3 and then z0. Okay. And then colon, semicolon, right? Okay. And then 6. So 6, how I want, like I want to connect this. Okay. So we have x or x6, y3 in the sense it is coming that one above. Okay, and then we will go for x6 alone. Okay, and then now I'm just going to put save it, close it. See, can you able to see these two nodes that what we are inputting there? Here it is coming.
Yeah.
Okay, like that also you can do. So again, I'm just going to Start Editor, but this is also very traditional method. It takes the time consumption also more. Okay, and then 4.
Why do you use this?
No, it is like very traditional method. Before when they launched Start Pro for the very first time in 1990 something, they were using this kind of things. It is very difficult on those days. Now everything is easy. And also like before the Start Editor window itself, it looks so strange. Now it is user friendly. Now this is like very user friendly window. Before it was not like this. Okay, now I will go for which node. So we need to click here, Shift N. Okay, I'm just going to put 3 and 5 first. So 3 and then 5 and then semicolon and then fifth beam which connecting 5 and then 6. Okay, when you save and then close, or no need to close also. When you close only it is coming in that case. See?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, now you also know Start Editor, right? Okay.
Yeah.
And in Start Editor, what are the things we have? See, for example, if I want to just, I want to hide something. See, this is what we made now. So I just want to make this uncomment. 1 minute. See, I'm totally making this comment.
Okay.
And then uncomment. Okay. This is already uncomment only. Otherwise, I will make this to uncomment. For example, uncomment, comment. Okay, it is in green color. And also we are getting star. What it means? Like I'm just saving it and I'm just closing it. Can you able to see it is invisible? So like that in Start Editor, you can make something invisible. And then after you do some analysis, and if you want, you can make it comment again. Okay, this is also good. Okay. So which means if you are putting comment, it is invisible. When you're putting uncomment, it is like visible.
Okay.
Okay, this is what it is. So for this kind of things, we can make use of Start Editor. Otherwise, for big structure, very, very difficult. So no need. See, it will automatically come for big structure. When you put a drag and drop, it will automatically come. And then you can make it, for example, I'm just going here. So geometry and structure wizard. We will take that what we have created. So save user model. What is this? Like untitled.
Okay.
So it was not here, like saved user model. After that, we forget to save it. See, we did something now. After that, we need to save it actually.
Okay.
Yeah. Frame model, and then 10, and then 15.
Just press apply.
Yeah. Okay.
Now we need to save it.
1 minute. So I will change some more also. For example, height is 15. With this, we will put it 2. Okay. This we will save user model. Frame. Okay. Now I'm just going to save this. Then only it will be there.
If we open another file, the same will show there?
Yeah, that we will try now. So first we will try with the same thing, okay? And then geometry, and then run structure wizard. Saved. See, now it is there. Before it was not there because we not saved it.
And what about in another file?
Okay, that also we will try. File, close it. No, I'm just going for something. Structure 1 I will go. So here I'm just going for geometry, run structure wizard. So it will come because we not saved before. That is only the problem. Now we save now, it will come. See, it is coming.
It will be easy then.
Huh?
For me, it will be easy. Like.
Yeah. Okay. Geometry and structure wizard. Save user model, and then close it. Click yes, and then 0, 0, 0. Okay. Okay, now I'm just going for start editor.
Okay.
See, everything is coming automatically. Now, if I want to hide something, if I am hiding, I think only few things we can't able to hide. Anything, otherwise I will hide something like this. Comment. See, that particular line only, we just put comment, and then I'm just saving it.
Okay.
And then close it. And can you able to see that is missing here?
Yeah.
Okay. This is what it is. So start editor still here, and then I will put one comment. It will come back. Okay.
Yes.
In that case, like you practice. So for today, geometry, run structure wizard, and then this start editor. These 2 types of creating structures we have seen.